Here in the shop, we spend an awful lot of time talking about components, whether they be OEM replacements, aftermarket restoration parts, or high-performance upgrades. We tell you about their features and benefits, and heck, even most of the time, we show you how to install them. But there are some things we tend to skip over, and probably shouldn't, because they are just as, if not more important. What I'm talking about are fluids, specifically engine coolant. Now, if you spend a bunch of money on fancy go-fast components, then you certainly want to protect them. And one good way to do that is with a high-quality antifreeze coolant like Prestone. Prestone has been around since 1927. It developed non-flammable ethylene glycol for use in passenger cars and trucks, and by World War II, Prestone was the Allied forces antifreeze of choice to keep their vehicles running in top condition. The company is still the innovation leader and continues evolving to keep up with the demands of modern engines. Today's engines are lighter, built of aluminum, and run hotter than previous engines. To keep up with this dramatic change in engine construction, Prestone spent 7 years to develop the new-to-the-world antifreeze coolant with a patented corrosion inhibitor package. This new technology, the first in nearly 25 years, is named Cor-Guard, and it prevents corrosion from forming, making your engine run smoother and helps it last longer. Cor-Guard technology keeps your cooling system looking new, and it starts working immediately. With the reported 50% of all breakdowns attributed to a cooling system failure, why trust your car's health with decades-old technology? Now the question comes, do I install an antifreeze coolant concentrate and then add water, or do I go with the 50-50 pre-mixed? Both have superior protection, but if it's ease of use you're looking for, the 50-50 pre-diluted formula is what you want to go with. So for your daily driver or hot rod, this stuff is an easy choice. Plus it covers you for up to 5 years or 150,000 miles. But if your daily or your soccer mom mobile is an import, they've got you covered there as well. Prestone has recently launched 3 new antifreeze coolant products for imports. The first is Honda Nissan, which is also formulated for Acura, Infiniti, Hyundai, Kia, Subaru, Mazda, and Mitsubishi vehicles, and it works with Asian-based POAT technologies. The only major Asian manufacturer not on this list would be Toyota, and that's where this product comes in. It's designed specifically for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. And you guessed it, they've got one for European imports as well. This thing's good for Volkswagen, Audi, Mercedes, BMW Mini, and Volvo. So it really doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you have. If you're looking for a 50-50 pre-diluted antifreeze coolant, Prestone has got you covered.